Do not forget to like, comment, or subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos. Reviewing the Superbloom. Reviewing the Superbloom in nature is not something that should be missed. They are like moments of clarity when all of our thoughts come together. Treasure these moments. Each year, somewhere in the desert, we have an interesting serendipity or phenomena. We call it a superbloom. It is a place where thousands of wildflower seeds get swirled up in the wind and land in a concentrated spot, and a sea of color breaks forth. This year in our yard, quite to my surprise, we had hundreds of yellow flowers in our yard and outside the view fence. Reviewing the Superbloom reminds us of key moments and can bring us inspiration in the dry, unproductive times. Don't we all feel like we are in a rut from time to time? Be inspired. Think outside the box. Do something new and better before the inspiration eludes us. The joy of blogging and putting words to print allows us to calm and de-stress. Imagine what is good and right and pure. The sky is the limit. Do not forget in reviewing the Superbloom that I believe in our lives we perceive similar phenomena. Such moments of clarity are sometimes few and far between. My point is that we need to act when such forces align. If we do not act quickly, the beauty and coalescence of thought can simply disappear. In reviewing the Superbloom, I ask you to act, implement, and move forward before it's too late. If you need a Superbloom to your income, act now and read The Millionaire Shortcut by Internet millionaire Jeff Lerner. Enjoy the life of your dreams. Here's some additional resources. Read a couple of my blogs like It's Uncanny the Choices You Have When You Look, or How to Create a Budget. Read also How to Visual Your Future Success at myfinancialfair.com. In reviewing the Superbloom, remember that moments of clarity are few, so we need to take advantage of them and when they happen. And as a matter of fact, why don't you take a look at joining my Facebook group so you can get great content on how to have fun with your finances. Moments of clarity. Let's not forget them and let's act.